Hey, subscribe to this channel. I get 2 recipes every week. And this week I'm making a raw tomato sauce. That's fantastic. Goes good with that focaccia. So everything is raw. So what you have to understand is that a few ingredients are going to be a little different, not in a classical tomato sauce, and all the ingredients are very much quality ingredients because you're not cooking them. You're not going to be able to disguise any imperfections in the ingredients. So everything has to be really good. Start with the tomatoes. 1.5 cups of tomatoes, but these tomatoes were grown in my garden. They're the best. If you don't have tomatoes in your garden, just go get the best tomatoes you can because you're not going to cook them, so you're going to really taste the flavor. I take the stem out of them, cut them in half, and start squeezing the seeds out. I don't want the seeds. I just want the flesh. Just like that. Now save this because if the sauce is too thick, you can strain the seeds out and use this tomato water to thin out the sauce. Wonderful. Set that aside. Hey, I'm using this this blend I got here. This actually smoothie maker from Ninja. I got it on Amazon. I bought it a long time ago. I make a lot of smoothies with it. It's fantastic. I really like it. Very high powered. It's good for like small things I make, like this tomato sauce I make a little bit. I have an affiliate on Amazon, so I leave a link in the description below. If you want to check it out, It'll take you right to Amazon. Just because I'm an affiliate, I make a few dollars on these, doesn't affect your price or the quality. I gotta let you know that. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, so I throw the tomatoes in here. Now for the rest of the ingredients, I have 1 clove of garlic. Hey, that's regularly in tomato sauce anyway. I also have 1/4 of a large red pepper. You can use 1/2 of a smaller red pepper. That's going to give you some sweetness and some nice red color. Want more tomato flavor? I'm going to put in 3 sun-dried tomatoes. Wonderful. More flavor? Some basil leaves. 6 nice big basil leaves. This is about 10 basil leaves because these are a little small. And these also come from my garden. Fantastic. For a little extra touch of sweetness, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of honey. And to balance that out, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. Okay, we always need some salt. And here I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Good. And 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. That's going to be delicious. Alright, last thing I have to add, may seem a little strange to you, but definitely need it. It's 1/4 cup of cashews, and I soaked it in water overnight, so it's very easy to puree it. It's going to give this dish some richness. And it's going to help to keep it like together. Going to puree this till it is as smooth as I can get it. Hey, look at how thick that is. It's too thick. What'd I tell you? Okay, see this? This is called a chinois. Very handy. Very fine strainer. Wonderful. I bought this on Amazon, of course, a while ago. I use it so much. It's so handy. This is going to really take out all the seeds from that tomato juice I made before. Remember that? I pour it into my chinois. Look at that. Look how wonderful that is. Nice and clean. Very well strained. Okay, I'm going to throw that into the tomato sauce. Give it just a whirl in here. That's good. Hey, check out this. I got fresh tomato sauce, raw tomato sauce, made from all raw ingredients. Okay, wonderful stuff. Very tasty. I got the focaccia bread. Wonderful, whole wheat. Smell nothing like fresh bread. Whoa, you smell that? Nothing like fresh bread. This is fantastic. Hey, if you want to know something else is fantastic, check out my marinara sauce recipe. Very different, very unique. It's got a fried egg on it. That's fantastic too. Check out that video. I'll see you there.